Look at that. Look at that inside the house there.
What the French toast is there to think about?
Hey, hold on. What the hell did he just say? He said, look at that inside the house there.
What the French toast is there to think about?
I had very bad slang to my conversation. I was always cursing. I always tried to wear the pants, and it's like I had no femininity to me at all. You know.
These dudes kill me. That's what's wrong with this generation today. These young boys today, what do she bring to the table? And you're treating it like it's this much put in there? There's another on the side taking a little bit more value out of the pussy. So by the time you get you got about this much left for the rest of your life. For the rest of your life, you got kids. She get old. She get fat. She cheat on you. Now you got this much put, and y'all thinking about a divorce. She puts the cat on the put, right? And then she goes back into the market. She got this much left, still thinking in her mind that she's working with this put.
What's good, everyone? This your main correspondent, Alan Taylor, and I'm back in the broadcast room yet again. Always with another one. So yeah, you know, I got an electrifying one for you motherfuckers today out there, you know what I'm saying? Seriously. So, you know, father catches his daughter with, boys in the house and things like that, man, and wow, I'm just saying, like, oh, hell no. You know, it kind of is what it is, though, man. But, hey, though, you know, like we always say, you know, hey, quarters, nickels, and dimes, people. Quarters, nickels, and dimes.
You see what I'm talking about? You see what I'm talking about? You see how they have money inside the house there? Not today, the boy there. Not today. The boy come and take something, and when you finish, the house lock up there. And not today, the boy come there. Huh? Stay there. Two of them. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that inside the house there.
What the French toast is there to think about?
Hey, hold on. What the hell did he just say? He said, look at that inside the house there.
What the French toast is there to think about?
Man, he didn't even acknowledge them some bitches as human beings. Like, seriously, come on. He said, look at that inside the house there. Wow.
Look at that inside the house there. Look at that. Look at my affair. Not to your mother tell don't bring money inside of the house. Don't bring money inside of the house.
Hold up.
And what is your damaged muscle head? You stupid? You ignorant, or you just plain old deaf?
Just saying, we just gonna sit up here and be sure that we out here 304ing it up, okay? She 304ing it up, clearly, allegedly.
Wow.
Don't bring money inside of that house. Don't bring money out of that house. Don't bring money inside of that house. Don't bring money inside of that house. Don't bring money inside of that house. You see, upside. You lock it up there. You call your mother, don't bring no money inside of that house. That what they said. They don't sell you and they lock, and when you finish, you there. You know what? Who you fucking calling? Outside, go, outside, go outside. Go, outside. Go outside, go outside. Outside. Outside, what fella? Outside. If Tara tell you a lot, no money inside of that house. Don't come and...
Hey, y'all notice that motherfucking tears stopped. All that waterworks shit stopped when he told her to go outside. Oh man, you know, and hey though, you know, it really is what it is, man. I grew up in an era where, you know, parents were allowed to, you know what I'm saying, spank their children, because that's what it was called back then. Yeah, we, you know, all this fictitious that parents were just brutally beating these children and things like that, man. Come on, man.
What the French toast is there to think about?
Come on, man. You know, and you know, and there is a difference. There is a difference. You know, and at the same time though too, you know, we do understand the difference. I'm not saying that, you know, this young lady, you know, her father wasn't beating her and shit like that, man. Y'all, you know what I'm saying? You know, I'm sorry, you know, he was, you know, basically he was lightly tapping her ass, letting her ass know that no men in the house.
So what the French toast is there to think about?
No men in the house. Kind of like a pat on the back, you know what I'm saying? But you know, yeah though, you know, we done got so sensitive nowadays. It's just out the way. And you know, I don't know, all this standing in the corner shit, you know. Hey. But it is what it is though, man. Hey, let's keep going.
Tell me no man inside that house there. Yeah, no man inside that house, you're not hating, man.
Hey, no men inside of my house.
What the French toast is there to think about?
I told you already. No, you know, no men inside of my motherfucking house. You're my child. And you know, hey, people take things how they want to take things, you know what I'm saying, which is sad, which they don't want to see things for, you know, the natural truth. You know, the sad part about this is that this man would be condemned for keeping his daughter on the straight and narrow path.
What the French toast is there to think about?
He will be condemned for doing this. He's condemned for keeping his daughter on the straight and narrow path. All because of the way that he engaged with her condemnation. I mean, you know, hey, you know what I mean. You know what I'm saying? Hell, what you talking about. But I mean, let's just keep this real. You know what I'm saying? In today's society, you know, he be looked at as some type of monster or something like that. You know what I'm saying? Well, you know, you should have handled it this way and that way. Listen, men, we don't be in touch with emotions and all that type of stuff like that. We be in touch with straight up facts and what the fuck it is, laws.
And what is your damaged muscle head? You stupid? You ignorant, or you just plain old deaf?
You old fish-eyed fool.
Hey, and that's just the reality of the situation, you know what I'm saying? You know, hey, but you know, I'm just glad he, you know what I'm saying, he keeping his daughter on a straight and narrow path. You know, screw all the dumb shit. You know what I'm saying? He doing what he can do, doing what he need to do to keep his house straight up and as righteous as possibly can be until he figure out a way to marry his daughter off. You know what I'm saying? Hey, you can call her what you want. Call her what you want. You know, obviously, you know, they in a whole nother part of the world. But it is what it is though, man. Shout out to all my subscribers out there. Mad love to y'all. If you're new to the channel, please hit that like, share, subscribe button and make sure that you ring that bell, that you'll be notified whenever I decide to post things. Hey. But it is what it is though, and like I always say about this time, that, my friends, is the bottom line.